It's me, Squawky the Parrot. Been a while since I've made some comments, but I don't really have anything to say because me and Forrest have decided to try to not get like upset and make comments back and forth and back because it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't do any good. Not whatsoever. No, no, no. And I know I still have my Christmas decoration up. I don't care. See? Nothing bothers me. Okay, so enough squawking about all these things. So I'm just gonna here in my cage, and Forrest's gonna be out playing with Rosie in the backyard, and everything else can just go its own way. Once in a while, he'll have to like explode, but like the doctors have told him, cut that crap out. And with that, I'm gonna look for something to chew on. I, I got the remote control. I love to eat the little buttons off. Okay, goodbye. That's it. Turn the camera off. I have to poop. Turn the camera off.